Want to add a subdomain to your GoDaddy domain, but not sure where to start? No worries. I've got your back. In just a few minutes, let's dive in. Head over to GoDaddy.com. Enter your login info and smash that sign-in button. Once you're in, go to the My Products section. Scroll through your domains. You probably got a few gems in there. And find the one you want to tweak. See that shiny DNS button next to your domain? Click it. Welcome to the DNS management page, your subdomain playground. Ferris wheel. Here's where the magic happens. Look for Add New Record. It's like opening a blank canvas for your subdomain. Now choose the type of record you need. This points your subdomain to a specific IP address, like giving it a home address. This points your subdomain to another domain, great for redirection ninjas. Ready to customize? Let's go. For an A record, in the host field, type the name of your subdomain, e.g., blog for blog.yourdomain.com. In the points to field, enter the IP address of your hosting server. For a name record, in the host field, type your subdomain name. In the points to field, enter the domain or URL you want it to redirect to. Pro tip: not sure which one to pick? A record is for specific IP destinations, while name is for redirects. TTL, or time to live, is geek speak for how often should this record refresh. You can stick with the default, usually 1 hour, or tweak it if you're feeling adventurous. You're almost there. Double-check your settings and click Save. If you're adding multiple records at once, hit Save All Records for bonus points. Floppy disk. DNS changes take time to spread across the internet, like a digital ripple effect. It might happen in an hour, or it could take up to 48 hours to fully propagate. So, grab a coffee and chill. Hot beverage. If your domain has domain protection enabled, you might need to verify your identity before making changes. GoDaddy's got your back on security. If your subdomain will host a website, make sure your hosting setup is ready to handle it. And that's it. You're officially a subdomain superstar. Glowing star, whether it's for your blog, shop, or secret project, your new subdomain is good to go. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this guide with someone who could use a little DNS wizardry in their life. Mage. Until next time, happy domaining.